Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Realme Watch S5 and Realme Watch 5. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Display features. Realme Watch S5 comes with 1.43 inches AMOLED display, and the Realme Watch 5 comes with 1.97 inches AMOLED display. Next, compare the battery features. Realme Watch 5 comes with up to 16 days of battery life, and the Watch S5 comes with up to 20 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. Next, compare the sensor features. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe.